January 21st, 2017. It is, I think, the second day, or technically the official day, that Donald Trump has been sworn into office. 45th President of the United States of America.
I'll play with cable.
All right, see you there. Dude. But I actually heard or saw on YouTube that he, like the first, like once he got to the White House, like he did like a whole bunch of like executive orders, and one of them was that to freeze like Obamacare, to basically cancel it out. So that kind of sucks that all the people, like if they did not enroll in Obamacare, who didn't have insurance or something like that, they actually had to pay like a fine or something. GG to that. I met up with another writer, had a little bit of quick lunch at Whole Foods. Beautiful day. Haven't seen any riders yet though. A lot of people out here walking, get some good exercise in. Doggy doggy doggy. Gonna do a quick little transaction. What up, little girl? Two girls looking at me like, what? What is that, mommy? It's called bike life, girl. Woof woof.
1 hour later.
Woof woof. All set?
No, just that, because I don't want to get off, right?
Yep. Hello?
Yeah, you did.
Alrighty. Alright, so basically, whenever I get directions from the GPS, it's going to cut our communications out. Yep, I want to be doing all local. There was an Asian guy riding a motorcycle. He was riding like a FCO7 or something.
Yeah.
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 No, I waved at him, but he didn't wave back. Man, sounds good. Hello, can you hear me? Check, check. Hello, hello? Hello, hello? Okay. It is. There's like an actual dining store. But the thing is like, how is the market over there, you know? I mean, you can't ride a motorcycle in the city. I know that for sure. You have to like spend a lot of money. You gotta spend like at least a couple of thousands of American dollars just to get a license plate. Oh, come on. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, they're skiing. Anyhow. Thursday. You got $20 by any chance?
I got $30.
You got 30? Okay. 30. I want to give you 5, so I owe you 25. Is that all right?
Okay. Well, yeah, actually, you owe me 20 because that's due.
Okay. I need to give him 25. Actually, give me the 5 back. Do this. I want to take your 30.
Okay.
And then you just owe me like, I owe you 27.
Well, yes, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, 25块钱嘛，刚刚这个 G。
对，那个提示要路段，他说还有一块辣的，你稍等一下。
OK。
他喜欢肥一点的，瘦一点。
啊，瘦一点好像。好，谢谢。
你要带着老夫过来吗？还是自己来？
Okay, that's yeah.
Going up, and then I'll punch you 1 point.
Well, we can hit cycle gear if we're still going north.
Yeah. You want to hit cycle gear? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know.
Merge with Rosella. This is great.
Oh, did they get bought out by Rosella?
Merge lots of stuff. You should from Philadelphia.
Oh, okay. Which is probably the main place for Rosella. All right, so I'll follow you. I don't think it's going to be too cold, though. I think it was like around 4 to 5 o'clock today. It's going to be like still in the 48 or 47. My hands. I don't have. This is probably the next thing I need to get. Is the actual motorcycle gloves. Yeah, I'm using like these mechanic gloves, like these tactical gloves that I use for the range. Heated jacket. It's fun. You know, riding for me is just all about the experience. You know, you just want to get lost. That's the whole riding fun, so. Oh, police. We got the police behind us. Yep. Just want to pull over here to the right, I think. There's probably not a whole lot of, you know, crime or, you know, police like running around with their sirens on, so that's really strange. Probably not. Don't really want to cause too much attention there. I'll tell you what though, like some of these roads like we're doing right now, if we have like a group of like Grom riders, this would be so much fun. What's also nice about the Grom is that when you change the oil, there is no oil filter at all. It's fun. You got the beautiful view, we still got the sun up. Exactly, and no cars, right? Watch out for that Audi there. Let's go to Vegas and, you know, I want to get this Groupon, like, you know, you can shoot like a bunch of these like machine guns. It's not on my bucket list. It's not something that I need to do. Yeah, so, I mean, if you got one of the packages, you know, they have like 4 or 5 different machine guns. Your machine gun experience is literally over in like 3 minutes. Yeah. It's even shorter than a one night stand, I'm telling you. Oh, I think we're on like a freeway or something. Whoa, what is that guy doing? This is definitely not the highway. We can trade bikes and give it a try. Whoa, that is interesting. There's no seat on there either, right? The Air Force base? He's in front of us. In front of you right now. I think they have like those machines like at the gym, right? Yeah, elliptical, yep. I would definitely do not want to be riding a, you know, using a bicycle here when a freaking plane flies over. They're gonna get knocked over. What's going on, ladies? Ladies! No wave at all. No wave. Just go ahead and find a nice little spot anywhere. I think the right side right here is good. Is that like dangerous or what? Look at the car in front of you. He's got 2x4 sticking out of his window there. All right, good to go. I want to say by the end of 2017, if we keep on doing like these rides with just the 2 of us, we're literally going to be like, we've probably been to like every single city in town in Mass. Exactly. Boots, you know, for my beginner boots, my first actual motorcycle boots were like 160, 150, where they retail for 300. So I got them for half the price. I don't know, maybe she got them for her boyfriend, or maybe she's just reselling them. Who knows? The ambulance is right behind us too. I'm not sure how we're going to be able to do this. There we go. Is it me or like there's 3 guys right at the window there? That's 3 guys, right?
6.5 hours later.
Alrighty, so we just got done with Cycle Gear from Woburn, Mass. Heading down to Chinatown. Now we gotta take this exit here. Heading down to Chinatown right now. Probably get a couple of snacks, a quick bite to eat, and then head home from there. Really, pretty good day today, January 21st, 2017. Did some decent riding for about 2 hours with another rider. I think we started like around 2 o'clock. That's where we met up at Whole Foods. Never really thought that I would be riding a motorcycle in January on the highway. Out of all the places and all the things that I would be doing. If I wasn't riding a motorcycle right now, I'd probably just be at home, you know, watching TV, hanging out, reloading, or probably taking a bath or something, reading some books, listening to some music. A lot of people, you know, they love to do something. They enjoy, you know, doing sports or, you know, riding a motorcycle or, you know, whatever type of activity that you're out there doing, you know, just do it. You know, just get out there, have fun, enjoy it. You know, get better at it. You know, don't waste your life away, you know, just staying at home all the time. Or stuck in the office, you know. Hopefully you got goals and there's other stuff that you definitely want to do out there. It's starting to get a little chilly right now. It's 1700. I don't even know how I got my freaking jacket zipped up. No, I don't. Luckily I got a paracord on the zipper there, so it's easy for me to grab with my gloves on. Beautiful Boston skyline right there. Entering the city right now. But anyways, I went to Cycle Gear and they got a couple of gloves over there that I wanted to try. They got Alpine Star. I think it's the Road Sport. I think I'm a medium in theirs, which isn't too bad. And then Dainese, I think it's a Mix C2. I'm a large for that one. Slow her down here. The TD Garden right here. Just passed over the Zakim Bridge. Is this? Go, bro. It's off. I got turned off. Damn, they got a big ass pig right there.